Welcome to Modern Decor World, where we're diving into the 2026 dining room trends you really don't want to miss. Luxury interior inspiration is everywhere this year. You know, the dining room was almost declared dead a few years ago. Open floor plans swallowed it whole, and, honestly, casual kitchen islands totally took over family meals. But in 2026, something unexpected is happening. The dining room is staging a dramatic comeback, and it's coming back more luxurious than ever before. Designers are calling it the anti-casual movement, a deliberate push toward formal, intentional spaces in a world that's been informal for far too long. If your dining room currently feels like an afterthought, maybe just a table shoved against a wall, mismatched chairs, forgotten the moment guests leave, you're about to see exactly why that's no longer acceptable in 2026 design. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 trends quietly transforming dining rooms from forgotten transition spaces into the most photographed room in the house. And, hey, point number 6 is the trend high-end designers are obsessed with right now, yet almost nobody outside the industry has heard of it yet. Curved dining tables are replacing sharp rectangles. Those sharp-edged rectangular tables are softening into curved, oval, and organic-shaped silhouettes. This shift creates better conversation flow, feels way more inviting, and softens the overall geometry of the room in a way that immediately reads as more luxurious and intentional. Rich saturated wall colors are replacing safe neutrals. Dining rooms are becoming the one space in the house where homeowners are finally embracing bold, saturated colors. Deep emerald, burgundy, and ink blue are really leading the charge. Because dining rooms are used briefly and intentionally, designers argue they're the perfect place to take a daring color risk. Statement chandeliers make a bold sculptural return. Subtle, minimal lighting is giving way to dramatic, sculptural chandeliers that act as functional art. Whether it's organic glass forms, oversized linear fixtures, or mixed metal designs, the chandelier has become the single most important investment piece in the modern dining room. Textured wall coverings add depth without pattern overload. Grass cloth, plaster finishes, and subtly textured wallpapers are replacing busy printed patterns. This trend adds tactile richness and depth to dining room walls without overwhelming the eye, creating a more sophisticated, layered backdrop for the room. Heat. Banquet seating brings restaurant-level luxury home. Built-in or freestanding banquet seating is moving from trendy restaurants into residential dining rooms, offering a plush, cozy alternative to traditional chairs. The upholstered, tailored look instantly elevates the room while maximizing seating in smaller spaces. Quick pause before we dive into the final 4. If you're already imagining your dining room transformed by even one of these trends, that's exactly the kind of inspiration this channel is built around. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment telling me which trend you're most excited to try. I read every single comment, and it genuinely helps me plan future videos around what you actually want to see. Alright, let's keep going. The next 4 trends might be the most luxurious shifts on this entire list. Layered table settings become a year-round design statement beyond special occasions. 2026 dining rooms are styled with intentional layered table settings as a permanent design feature. Charger plates, linen napkins, and curated glassware are displayed as part of the room's everyday decor, not just reserved for guests. Statement rugs define the dining zone with pattern. A bold patterned rug beneath the dining table is becoming a signature 2026 move, adding color, texture, and definition to the space, especially in open concept homes where the dining area needs its own visual identity. Mismatched chairs become an intentional design choice. Instead of a uniform chair set, 2026 dining rooms are embracing deliberately curated mismatched seating. different shapes or materials, united by a shared color palette, are coming together in really interesting ways. This collected over time look feels far more personal and high-end than a generic matching set ever could. Mixed metal finishes create dimensional richness. Gone are the days of matching every metal finish in the room. In 2026, dining spaces confidently mix brass, matte black, and aged bronze across light fixtures, hardware, and accents, creating a layered, collected richness that feels intentional rather than mismatched. Sculptural centerpieces replace traditional floral arrangements. Here's the trend almost nobody talks about yet. Instead of classic floral centerpieces, designers are styling dining tables with sculptural objects, ceramic vessels, abstract art pieces, or organic-shaped bowls, creating a gallery-like, curated moment at the center of the table that feels far more current than flowers ever could. And that's the full list. 10 trends proving the dining room isn't just back. It's becoming one of the most expressive, luxurious spaces in the entire home. The biggest shift happening in 2026 isn't really about furniture or color at all. It's a return to intentional, slowed-down living, where a meal deserves a beautifully designed space to match it. So, tell me, which of these 10 trends are you bringing into your dining room first? Drop it in the comments because your answer might just inspire next week's video. If this gave you serious dining room envy, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Hit like to help this reach someone else ready to give their dining room the glow up it deserves. And I'll see you in the next video, where we're revealing the 2026 kitchen trend designers can't stop talking about.